I'm Robin.
Hi, I'm Julie.
We're here today to bring you some really cool shamrock rainbow gold diffuser plants for St. Patrick's Day.
But what if you don't have a diffuser?
Then you can use a felt pad or your hair. You could use a cotton ball. Those would be passive diffusers versus like an air diffuser.
Right.
I do get a question a lot about like, why should I buy a Young Living diffuser? The reason is we have medical grade plastic in our diffusers if it's a plastic one. And so you just want to be careful if you're using a store-bought one because it could pull the toxins out of the plastic. So it's kind of like the opposite of what you want to do.
Yes.
And we actually have a sale on diffusers. It's actually a permanent sale while supplies last. You can get a really nice one for, if you're wholesale, $30.
And they're so worth it because you do want, if you're going to spend the money on the oils, you do want those molecules to be suspended in the air the maximum amount of time. So it is worth investing in a good diffuser.
Now that it's $30, it's just like, how many can I buy?
Right, it's a no-brainer.
We should have brought one.
So this is the first one. So this is orange essential oil and white angelica. So orange happy oil citrus is awesome. Can you see how happy it is? And white angelica, this is like to ward off any negativity or any like crazy stuff. So if you have any,
Yes. So if you work in a place where people tell you things, maybe you work at a salon where people tell you things, white angelica is a great oil to have. You can put on you, not just diffuse, but if you diffuse this one, that would be amazing. Right? Okay. Second one, magically delicious.
magically delicious. Don't buy any of that junky Lucky Charms. If you have that in your house, ooh, boo.
Too much sugar, too
Boo,
much
boo.
dye. Nothing good for you.
Yeah, nothing.
Just the salt.
So do this one instead. So we have Citrus Fresh, again, super happy oil. This has so many of the different citrus oils in it, and it's a great combination. People love putting this in their diffuser. And we have Purification. And Purification is one of those gets rid of any stinky, anything that you would have going on. I have a bunch of soccer players and people, so I love putting this in their bag and their cleats, and you can put it in their shoes. But in a diffuser blend, these are amazing. So
You know what this would be called at my house?
What?
The laundry blend.
Oh, yes.
Because like I use these on my wool balls. Citrus Fresh is my favorite to put on wool balls. A, it smells good. B, it's cheap oil. It doesn't cost a lot.
That's right.
It's just cold pressed from the rind, and so the cost is very low for a Citrus Fresh. Big value there. Big value.
That's one of the oils on a budget. Like, seriously, this is the bomb.
Citrus
It's
Fresh, I use it in my laundry. I use it in my dishwasher. You can use it for those soccer clothes if you put it on a cotton ball and put it in their shoes. Although Purification is stronger, the smell is different. The smell isn't as joyful or light.
Yep. It's a beautiful blend.
What's that smell? Is that lemon myrtle?
It does have citronella in it, and so some people are like, nah, citronella.
But maybe I feel like that.
But it is also great for pests if you go outside.
Oh, yeah.
We make a spray bottle with that and put it on to ward off any pesky pets.
It has citronella,
Pests.
rosemary, lemongrass, tea tree, lavender, myrtle. The reason we were laughing is because I was just saying I don't like lemon myrtle, but maybe it's citronella too.
Myrtle is different than lemon myrtle, though.
Yeah, maybe it was the lemongrass. I don't really like that one either. The thing is like even if I don't like the smell, I'm using it for the therapeutic value.
Yeah.
Like one time, Ella and I were walking, and I used this one roller called Rutabaga, and I was like,
We refer to it as the cat pee oil.
it smells so bad. And I'm like,
But it works,
Ella,
right?
what smells? I'm like, what it smells? What smells? And then I realized it was me. We laughed really hard.
Yeah.
All right. See ya. Thanks for listening.